Hi! Kumusta? Welcome sa Untitled, ang safe space kung saan pwede kang makinig, magpahinga, baka makahanap ng konting comfort sa gitna ng araw-araw. Ako si Clover, and I'm really glad na nandito ka ulit. At kung first time mo naman dito, welcome! Sana dito ka makahanap ng space kung saan pwede kang huminga kahit sandali. Ngayong episode, gusto kong pag-usapan yung isang bagay na minsan hindi mo napapansin pero palagi mong ginagawa. Yung habang inaayos mo yung mundo ng iba, nakalimutan mong ayusin yung sa'yo. Real talk lang ha. You can keep saving everyone and then wonder why you feel so tired all the time. Ang dami mong inaasikaso, pamilya, kaibigan, trabaho, responsibilities. Pero kailan mo huling tiningnan yung sarili mo sa salamin at sinabing, okay pa ba ako? Hindi mo pwedeng ayusin lahat kung ikaw mismo hindi mo na kayang tumayo. You can't keep pretending you're fine just because you don't want others to worry. Alam mo kung bakit lagi kang pagod kahit hindi ka naman laging gumagalaw? Kasi emotionally, mentally, ubus ka na. And you keep ignoring that part kasi ayaw mo maging burden. Pero ito ang totoo. Hindi selfish ang alagaan ng sarili mo. Hindi kasalanan ang magpahinga. Hindi kailangang iligtas ang lahat para lang maramdaman mong may silbi ka. Listen, this is your sign to stop putting your life on pause for everyone else. Habang inaayos mo yung mundo ng iba, baka hindi mo napapansin ikaw na yung may kailangan ng tulong. You fix their problems, you give them advice, make them feel okay. Pero pag ikaw yung nasasaktan, tahimik ka lang. Why? Hindi mo kailangan maging strong palagi. You are allowed to break down. You're allowed to start over. Pero after that, bumangon ka. Ayusin mo rin yung sayo. Get your focus back. Get your life together. Kasi kung hindi mo sisimulan ngayon, kailan pa? You keep waiting for a right time. Pero baka habang hinihintay mo yun, lumalayo ka sa kung sino ka talaga. Kailangan mong tandaan, hindi mo pwedeng i-base ang worth mo kung saan gaano ka ka-useful sa iba. You matter even when you're not fixing anything. You matter even when you're resting. Hindi mo kailangan hintayin na maubos ka bago ka magbago. You don't have to reach your lowest point para lang mapilitang ayusin ang buhay mo. Start now. Ayusin mo yung routine mo, ayusin mo yung mindset mo, tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na paulit-ulit kang sinasaktan. Kung may mga taong hindi na nagdadala ng peace sa buhay mo, let them go. Hindi ka masamang tao kung pipiliin mo yung sarili mo. That's maturity. Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift, you're on your own, kid. You always have been. And it's true. But that's not something sad. It's powerful. Kasi ibig sabihin, hawak mo yung direksyon ng buhay mo. Ikaw ang may say kung saan ka pupunta. So please stop waiting for someone to fix you. No one's coming to save you. Ikaw yung hinihintay mo. Alam mo kung anong kailangan mo yun? Consistency. Not motivation, not validation. Consistency. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Ang kailangan mo lang ay magsimula at huwag humindo. Clean your space, wake up early, drink water, and do something productive kahit maliit. Kasi every time you choose to move, kahit kaunti lang, you are choosing yourself. And that's how you take your power back. Hindi yung malalaking pagbabago agad, kundi yung mga simpleng desisyon na araw-araw mong pinipili. Ang daming bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. Pero yung sarili mo, kaya mo. So control that. Work on that. Habang inaayos mo yung mundo ng iba, huwag mong kalimutan. You deserve the same care, the same patience, the same love na binibigay mo sa kanila. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng validation para ayusin yung sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan may pumalakpak bago ka magsimulang gumalaw. You owe it to yourself to try, to heal, to grow, to do better. And I know it's not easy. Pero lagi mong tatandaan, progress is still progress kahit maliit. Healing is still healing kahit mabagal. Ang mahalaga, gumagalaw ka. So, ngayon, gusto kong tanungin ka, habang inaayos mo yung mundo ng iba, kailan mo balak ayusin yung sa'yo? Hindi bukas, hindi next week, ngayon. Kasi walang perfect time. Meron lang decision. Kaya kahit simpleng bagay lang, start with that. Fix your space, your schedule, your habits, your boundaries. And most importantly, fix the way you talk to yourself. Ako si Clover, and here's my gentle reminder. You don't have to fix everyone to be worthy of love. Hindi mo kailangan maging tagapagligtas para maging mahalaga. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is to choose yourself over the chaos, over the guilt, over the noise. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Untitled, ingat ka palagi and please ayusin mo rin yung mundo mo. You deserve that peace.